What if your savings could earn one of the highest interest rates in the market while avoiding fees and minimum balance requirements? That's the promise of EverBank's performance savings account. But is it truly the best option for your money, or are there hidden trade-offs you should know about? Today, we're breaking down the pros and cons of EverBank's high-yield savings account so you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial goals. Let's set the stage. EverBank, formerly known as TIAA Bank, has been making waves in the online banking space with its competitive rates and no-frills approach to savings. Its high-yield savings account, the Performance Savings Account, is designed to help savers grow their money faster than traditional bank accounts. But as with any financial product, there are benefits and drawbacks to consider. Pros of EverBank High-Yield Savings. Competitive APY. EverBank offers an impressive annual percentage yield, APY, of 4.3% on its performance savings account. This rate is significantly higher than the national average for traditional savings accounts and allows your money to grow faster over time. Plus, the APY applies across all balances, so whether you're saving a little or a lot, you'll earn the same rate. No monthly fees. One of the standout features of this account is its fee-free structure. There are no monthly maintenance fees, which means every dollar you save stays in your account and works toward your financial goals. No minimum deposit requirement. You can open an EverBank Performance Savings account with as little as $0. This makes it accessible for savers at all levels, whether you're just starting out or already have a substantial amount to deposit. Daily compounded interest. Interest on your balance is compounded daily and credited monthly. This means your money grows faster because you're earning interest not just on your principal, but also on previously earned interest. FDIC insurance. Like most reputable banks, EverBank is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, or $500,000 for joint accounts. This provides peace of mind that your money is safe even in worst-case scenarios. Introductory rate. For new customers, EverBank offers an introductory APY that's even higher than its standard rate for the first year. This can be a great way to jumpstart your savings and earn more in the short term. User-friendly digital platform. As an online-first bank, EverBank provides a seamless digital experience through its website and mobile app. You can easily check balances, transfer funds, and manage your savings anytime, anywhere. Large ATM network. EverBank offers access to nearly 100,000 fee-free ATMs nationwide. While this feature is more relevant for checking accounts, it's still a nice perk if you also bank with EverBank for everyday transactions. Cons of EverBank High-Yield Savings. Limited physical branches. While EverBank does have some physical branches in Florida and California, it primarily operates online. If you prefer face-to-face interactions or need in-person banking services, this could be a drawback. No ATM card for savings. The Performance Savings account does not come with an ATM card for direct access to cash. To withdraw funds, you'll need to transfer money to a linked checking account first, a process that can take time depending on your external bank. Introductory rate drops after 1 year. While the introductory APY is a great incentive for new customers, it only lasts for 1 year. After that period, your savings will earn the ongoing APY, which may still be competitive, but could be lower than other options available at that time. No mobile check deposit for savings. Although EverBank offers mobile check deposit through its app for checking accounts, this feature isn't available for its savings account. If you frequently receive checks and want to deposit them directly into your savings account, this could be inconvenient. Withdrawal limits. Like most savings accounts, EverBank enforces federal regulations that limit certain types of withdrawals to 6 per month. Exceeding this limit could result in penalties or even account closure. Not always the highest APY. While 4.3% APY is competitive, it's not always the highest rate available in today's market. Some online banks offer rates exceeding 5%. If maximizing interest is your top priority, you might find better options elsewhere. Limited product offerings. EverBank focuses primarily on basic banking products like savings accounts, checking accounts, and CDs, certificates of deposit. If you're looking for more robust financial tools like investment accounts or personal loans, you'll need to look elsewhere. Inflation risk. Like all savings accounts, the real value of your earnings can be eroded by inflation if the rate of inflation outpaces the APY offered by EverBank. While this isn't unique to EverBank's account, it's worth keeping in mind when planning long-term financial goals. Who is EverBank High Yield Savings best for? EverBank's High Yield Savings account is an excellent choice for individuals who want a competitive interest rate without worrying about fees, are comfortable managing their finances online, don't need frequent access to cash from their savings. EverBank's Performance Savings account stands out for its competitive rates and fee-free structure, making it a strong contender in the world of high-yield savings accounts. It's particularly appealing for those who value simplicity and are comfortable with online banking. That said, like any financial product, it has limitations that may not suit everyone's needs, such as limited branch access and no ATM card for direct withdrawals from savings. So now that we've laid out both sides, is EverBank's High Yield Savings account right for you? Let us know what you think in the comments below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, star.